Let us take another numerical to understand that once the alpha is actually not given to us and we are asked to find out the equilibrium concentration of the reactants or the product, and the equation becomes very complicated how to solve it. The numerical is 3 moles of PCl5 is taken in 1 liter vessel and it attains equilibrium at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the concentration of PCl3 at equilibrium and Kc is given to us. So it's already mentioned that we are given 3 moles of PCl5 initially. So it means the reaction is PCl5 on decomposition changes to PCl3 and Cl2. The initial moles, or if I can write concentration here, it will be fine. It is 3. Why am I writing concentration? Because 3 moles divided by 1 volume liter will make it 3 only. So I am not writing it down, I am just rubbing it because this is 3 molar now. So of course, initially 3 mole of this is given, so the PCl3 and Cl2 were not there in the reaction mixture. But at equilibrium, the concentration will be, it will be 3 minus alpha, because if alpha has reacted, so how much of PCl5 is left? 3 minus alpha. 1 mole of this forms 1 mole of this, so alpha of, if this has reacted, alpha of this will be formed, and similarly alpha of the chlorine will be formed. So how to write down the expression? It will be PCl3 into the concentration of chlorine upon concentration of PCl5. This will be equal to alpha into alpha upon 3 minus alpha. And the Kc value of this, Kc is already given, it is 1.80. Now how to proceed further? Let us see here. On solving this, what we get is, it will be 3 into 1.8 minus 3, 1.8 alpha equal to alpha square. Or you can write it down as alpha square plus 1.8 alpha plus 5.4 equal to 0. Now this is a sort of a quadratic equation you have, and you know this how to find out. This alpha will be solved by the equation minus b plus minus under root of your b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this kind of formula is to be used here in this case, which you have been using in your mathematics. So by solving this equation, by putting this value of this a and c and b in this case, we can find out what exactly this alpha is. And when we solve this by putting up this value, what we get is the alpha comes out to be 1.59. So remember, whenever we get an equation like this, which we are not able to solve, so this will become minus. So this will become minus because this goes here. So this kind of an equation, it becomes a quadratic equation. It is to be solved like this, so that the alpha is determined or x is determined, and in this case it comes out to be 1.59. Therefore, concentration of PCl3 will be 1.59 molar.